Welcome back to online Cubase tutorials. This is Jeff. I'm going to take you through adding a couple more instruments to this and just kind of show you that adding one or two little things can make a big difference. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this drum track again. I'm going to delete this part, select all events, hit delete, and I'm going to add a new part, and it's going to be actually before I do that, I'm going to add a hat open part. And it's just going to add a little bit more groove to this pattern that I have going. And I could probably just do this in a 2 measure phrase. So I'm going to shorten that up. And what I want to do is I'm going to hit record. Let me find my hi-hat open as an A sharp. Okay, I'm going to hit the A sharp. Try to hit it. I'm going to try to hit it leading right into the beat, into the hi-hat part. And you'll see what I mean in a minute. Okay, so what we got there is just 2 little extra hats. Okay, and it needs to be quantized. So let's double click on that, and you can see I did a pretty bad job here. I think what we want is leading right into the beat. So I can just go ahead and fix this manually. I don't need to quantize. It's like only 2 notes. Let's put that right on count 4, and you can see my my quantized pattern is here. You can just hit that just to make sure. Let's give that a listen. Something like this might be cool. So as you can see, this is kind of how I experiment with different sounds. I just mess around with the MIDI data a little bit, listen to it, and then when I find something that I like, that sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good. And then I think what I like about this is just the fact that this leads in to the beat a little bit. Let me hear that. It's a little bit much, but you get the idea. So just making a little syncopated part. Let me snap that again and put this back here, and then maybe I'll fiddle with the swing. Take all these notes and fiddle with the swing a bit, and you can do that by hitting the quantize panel again. So maybe I'll swing this, less, push that out front. See how that sounds. All right. So now that that's pretty grooving, we're going to add a couple more parts, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.